Election. It was elections that day, and all the schools and offices had a holiday due to it. Gattu and Chinky were asking Papa to take them out.
Papa, we have a holiday today and your office is closed too. So why don't we go out? Let's go somewhere, please. Yes, Papa. We haven't been to the game zone for so long. Please take us there.
Kids, you have a holiday today, but I don't have it. I have one important task to do.
Task? Which task, Papa?
Today I have to go to vote. Secretary uncle will be here at any moment. Then we both will go to cast a vote.
Oh, really? So only uncle and you are going to vote?
No, Gattu. It's not like that. Many other people will be voting.
Oh, then I also want to come, Papa. I also want to vote.
Gattu and Chinky were chatting with their father when their mummy came over there.
No, Chinky. You guys cannot vote. Only those people who are of age 18 are allowed to vote. Okay. So, Mummy, aren't you above 18 years of age?
Hearing this, Mummy and Papa started thinking. You are right, Gattu. Mummy should also come with us to vote. We were about to make a mistake, but thanks to you, we will not make this mistake now. Then Mummy and Papa started getting ready to go out to cast a vote. After a few minutes, Secretary Uncle also arrived at their home. All of them went to vote. When Papa and Mummy returned after voting, they invited Secretary Uncle to their home to have a cup of tea.
Uncle, did many people come there to vote?
Yes, Gattu. There were many people who had come to vote.
Uncle, but many people of our society did not go to vote.
Yes, Chinky. This is very wrong. Those people do not understand their responsibilities. Every person should vote. But what can we do about it?
But why is that? Why voting is so important?
Chinky, this is because when we vote for someone, then according to votes collected, a government is formed. And if we want a government of our choice, then we have to vote for it.
Papa, what does a government do?
Gattu, a government will run our country for 5 years. All the works done in the country and decisions regarding all the policies and even most of the important holidays are taken by the government.
Oh, holidays! Then the government is very important for sure. When I will grow up, I will vote for the government who will give us lots of holidays.
Everyone started laughing after hearing this. Mummy brought tea for everyone. Just then, Gattu had an idea.
Papa, if government is so important, then everyone should go out and vote, right?
Yes, Gattu, they should.
So, Papa, how about we start a campaign in our colony to raise awareness about it? It will make everyone think about voting, and who knows, many might end up going for voting.
That's a nice idea, Gattu. But Gattu, how are you going to do it? Hearing this, Gattu started thinking. But before that, Chinky said,
What if we make a poster? Then we will go to every house of the colony and explain them by showing the poster. Yes, this way we can directly talk to them and can explain to them why their vote is so important. Very good, dear. This is really a great idea. But how will we manage to create so many posters in such a short time? Oh, Mummy, don't worry about it. We will go and call all our friends in a minute. They will help us in creating these posters. Okay, then it's fine.
As soon as Mummy said yes, Gattu and Chinky rushed to call their friends Goody, Bunty and Hari their home and started making posters. Very soon, they were able to finish making lots of posters. You have no idea how talented these kids are.
Come on, kids. Let's go and start our campaign in this colony. I will also come with you.
Hearing this, Gattu, Chinky and their friends were very happy.
Wow, Mummy, surely you are coming.
Okay then, we are not going to sit back while you do this. We will also come with you.
Please come. You all are welcome to our campaign.
Then, without wasting time, they started their campaign. They started going to every house and rang their doorbells. When people opened their doors, They were surprised to see Gattu and Chinky's posters. Gattu and Chinky explained to everyone about their campaign. It took almost 2 hours, and after that, everyone went to their home. In the evening, Gattu and Chinky were watching TV with their papa when Secretary Uncle came there. Gattu, Chinky, I'm here to give you good news.
What happened, uncle? You look very happy.
It's good news after all. Do you know that after your campaign, almost half of the people from our colony went to vote?
What? Really, uncle?
Wow! This indeed is great news.
These kids have really done a great job today. They deserve a nice treat for it.
You are right. So kids, tell me, what do you want to eat?
We don't even need to think, as it's already evening time. We will eat ice candy from the vendor near our house. Yes, uncle. He is our favorite uncle.
All right then, let's go. I will treat you with ice candy. You should also call your friends. They have also worked hard for this campaign.
Yes, uncle.
Gattu, Chinky and their friends went with Secretary Uncle and ate ice candies to celebrate their achievement.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.